call for warm comfort food and cozy places, and we've found just the spot. Samahan niyo po kami here at 9 Spices Hotpot and Grill. Let's go! This spot is located in Greenfield District along United Street. Very easy to find. So whether you're out with your friends, on a date, or just craving for good food, this definitely worth adding to your food crawl. Video ba yun? Siyempre, what is hot pot without the perfect dipping sauce? Here, you can mix and match from a wide variety of sauces and create your own signature blend. Whether you like it spicy, garlicky, or a little sweet, the choice is all yours. From different choices of fresh seafood to a variety of meat selections, you will have a plenty of options to customize your hot pot experience. For the soup, we tried the mushroom flavor and the tomato soup. Tinry din namin yung cheese beef wrap, squid flour, they also have the french fries, and of course, the different flavors of samgyeopsal to grill and enjoy. With delicious food, endless choices, and the fun dining experience, this spot is definitely worth adding to your food trip list. Until our next food adventure, happy eating! Bye!